Finding an invoice on Temu is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Firstly, log into your Temu account. Once logged in, navigate to the Orders section. You can usually find this by hovering over or clicking on Orders in your account menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your orders, with the delivered ones in a separate section. If you're having trouble locating a specific order, you can use the search bar and enter the order ID, tracking number, or item name. Once you've found the order you need the invoice for, click on it. You'll find an option to generate the invoice for that order. If you're still unable to locate the invoice, there's another method you can try. At the top right corner, you'll see the support option. Click on it and select Chat with T. This will take you to the support center where you can chat with a bot. Simply type invoice into the chat and follow the prompts to provide the necessary information such as the order ID, invoice number, or product name. The bot will then instantly send you the invoice. It's a simple process that ensures you get the invoice you need. I hope you found this guide helpful in finding invoices on Temu.